Off-road adventures are calling, and you don't need to break the bank to answer. Whether it's rugged mountain trails, sandy deserts, or muddy backroads, 2025 brings an impressive lineup of off-road vehicles that combine capability, comfort, and affordability, all for under $50,000. If you're ready to hit the trails without maxing out your budget, this list is for you. Off-road vehicles have evolved from bare-bones workhorses to versatile machines packed with modern features. But finding one that fits your budget and lifestyle can be tricky. In this video, we'll highlight the best off-road vehicles under $50,000 in 2025, covering everything from tried-and-true classics to exciting new models. Let's get rolling. Kicking off our list is the Ford Bronco, a name synonymous with off-road adventures. The base model starts just under $40,000 but doesn't skimp on capability. With standard 4x4, a terrain management system, and impressive ground clearance, the Bronco is built to conquer trails. It also offers removable doors and a roof, adding a fun open-air experience for summer off-roading. And with a turbocharged 2.3-liter engine delivering 300 horsepower, the Bronco strikes the perfect balance between power and efficiency. No off-road list is complete without the iconic Jeep Wrangler. The sport trim comes in at around $35,000 and is equipped with Jeep's legendary 4x4 system, solid axles, and a rugged body-on-frame construction. The 2025 model adds updated tech, including a larger touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Wrangler's boxy design isn't just about aesthetics, it's built for function. The short wheelbase and high approach angles make it a beast on rocky terrain. Plus, its unparalleled customization options mean you can make it as rugged or stylish as you like. Looking for a truck that's as good on the trails as it is for daily driving? The Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road is a standout option. Priced just under $50,000, this midsize truck comes with crawl control, multi-terrain select, and a locking rear differential, all features that make tackling rough terrain a breeze. The Tacoma's reputation for reliability means you'll have a vehicle that's ready for years of adventures. And with the 2025 redesign, it's more comfortable and tech-savvy than ever, featuring a refreshed interior and updated infotainment system. Not all off-road vehicles need to be trucks or SUVs. The Subaru Outback Wilderness is proof that a lifted wagon can handle the trails just as well. Starting at around $401,000, the Wilderness trim adds extra ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and skid plates, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. The 2.4-liter turbocharged engine delivers 260 horsepower, and Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip on slippery surfaces. It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want a capable off-roader that doubles as a comfortable daily driver. Nissan's Frontier Pro 4X is a hidden gem in the off-road segment. With a price tag of just under $50,000, it offers a rugged design, Bilstein shocks, and a locking rear differential. The Frontier also comes with a 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 310 horsepower, giving it plenty of grunt for tough trails. The Pro 4X trim includes a beefed-up skid plate package and all-terrain tires, making it trail-ready straight from the factory. Plus, its compact size makes it easier to maneuver in tight off-road conditions compared to full-size trucks. If you love the Bronco but need the versatility of a truck, the Ford Ranger Tremor is an excellent choice. Starting at $47,000, it offers upgraded Fox shocks, a locking rear differential, and a specially tuned suspension for off-road performance. The Ranger Tremor also features a terrain management system with multiple driving modes, making it easy to adapt to different trail conditions. With its turbocharged 2.3-liter engine and impressive towing capacity, the Tremor is as practical as it is capable. Chevrolet's Colorado ZR2 is a mid-sized truck that punches well above its weight. Priced around $48,000, it comes with Multimatic DSSV dampers, front and rear locking differentials, and a factory lift kit. These features make it a beast on rocky trails and steep inclines. The 2025 model adds a more aggressive front-end design and upgraded interior tech, including a larger touchscreen and improved connectivity. It's perfect for off-road enthusiasts who want a truck that's both rugged and refined. For those who prefer compact SUVs, the Kia Sportage X Pro is a budget-friendly option starting at $37,000. Don't let its smaller size fool you. It comes equipped with all-wheel drive, off-road tires, and upgraded suspension for tackling light to moderate trails. The X Pro also features a surprisingly luxurious interior with heated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and Kia's user-friendly infotainment system. It's ideal for drivers who want a mix of urban practicality and off-road capability. Off-roading doesn't have to come at the cost of the environment. Many of these vehicles, like the Subaru Outback Wilderness and Ford Ranger Tremor, feature fuel-efficient engines and eco-friendly design elements. Plus, with automakers exploring hybrid and electric off-roaders, the future of adventure vehicles is looking greener than ever. Choosing the perfect off-roader depends on your priorities. Are you looking for a versatile daily driver that can handle weekend adventures? Go for the Subaru Outback Wilderness or Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. Want something iconic and rugged? The Jeep Wrangler Sport or Ford Bronco are unbeatable choices. And if you need a mid-size truck with serious trail cred, the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 or Nissan Frontier Pro 4X won't disappoint. Off-roading is more accessible than ever, with a range of capable vehicles that fit any budget. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned trail veteran, there's a perfect ride out there waiting for you. What's your favorite off-road vehicle under $50,000? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the trails.